In the fast-paced world of technology, there are always new and innovative products on the horizon. But Google's latest release has truly sent shockwaves through the industry. Introducing the mind-boggling new, insane Palm E, a cutting-edge piece of technology that promises to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. This incredible new device has everyone talking and has cemented Google's position as a leader in the field of innovation and technology. Palm E is a multimodal embodied visual language model, or VLM, with 562 billion parameters developed by a team of AI researchers from Google and the Technical University of Berlin. It combines vision and language for robotic control. They assert that it can carry out a variety of tasks without the need for retraining, and that it's the largest VLM ever created. When given a high-level command such as "bring me the rice chips from the drawer," Google claims that Palm E can create an action plan for a mobile robot platform with an arm, created by Google Robotics, and carry it out on its own. Google's most recent work, Palm E, is essentially what they refer to as an embodied multimodal language model. Why does this matter? It denotes a model that is able to comprehend various types of data, including text and images from the VIT and Palm models, and then translate these understandings into actions from a robotic hand. The largest model in Palm E, which has 562 billion parameters, combines the sizable Palm language model from Google with the largest vision transformer available at the time, VIT-22B. The main architectural concept of Palm E is to introduce continuous, embodied observations into the language embedding space of a pre-trained language model, such as images, state estimates, or other sensor modalities. The largest Palm E model combines language and computer vision to process Palm-level natural language, comprehend and describe image content, and direct robots through precise sequential steps. Further, Google previously showed that language models can assist in robot guidance with Palm SakeHand. In comparison to models only optimized for robotics, Palm E's combined training approach across domains is said to produce significantly higher performance. All of this is possible because of one model. Palm E is primarily based on one sizable language model. It's Google's Palm model in this instance. This model enables it to comprehend and produce text, and it's essentially the same as GPT models, which you're undoubtedly familiar with. By using the Palm initial architecture and making it embodied, that is, giving it a body, the model, which is also why it's called Palm E, also uses the Palm initial architecture. The only thing left to do is make this Palm model see, and then make it act, because it's already extremely capable of comprehending and interacting with the world in a textual format. We also have access to examples, such as one where the instruction was to "bring me the rice chips from the drawer" in text form. The robot immediately understands where to go and what to do based on that. As a result, it is able to understand its surroundings thanks to its camera's vision model and the Palm language model component's command. It even knows what to do in the event of unexpected changes, such as someone trolling it and moving things around while it's in use, which we all know always occurs when we go for a bag of chips. What a cool thing! Just observe how well it comprehends scenarios in which we provide it with an image and some text. Its comprehension is displayed here in orange. Actually, they combine the most innovative findings from the three disciplines of robotics, language, and vision to create something practical and useful. This new research enables the development of pretty useful robotic assistants by accurately understanding a lot of dynamic situations and translating them into useful, step-by-step instructions that it can follow or adapt from. Much like ChatGPT makes language AI useful to many people. To achieve this, Palm E analyzes data from the robot's camera without the aid of a scene representation that has already been processed. This eliminates the need for a human to pre-process or annotate the data, and allows for more autonomous robotic control. Further, Google Robotics, TU Berlin, and Google Research present Palm E, a new language AI model that can comprehend and produce language, comprehend images, and use both individually and in combination for sophisticated robot commands. In a different demonstration, Palm E manages a robotic arm that arranges blocks. The unique aspect of this situation is that the robot uses both visual and linguistic inputs simultaneously to complete the task. For instance, it can place blocks that are color sorted into various corners. From the visual input, Palm E generates the solution instructions step by step. In addition to the RT1 robotics transformer, Palm E draws from Google's previous work on VIT-22B, a vision transformer model revealed in February. VIT-22B has been trained on various visual tasks, such as image classification, object detection, semantic segmentation, and image captioning. Google Robotics isn't the only research group working on robotic control with neural networks. This particular work resembles Microsoft's recent ChatGPT for Robotics paper, which experimented with combining visual data and large language models for robotic control in a similar way. Robotics aside, Google researchers observed several interesting effects that apparently come from using a large language model as the core of PaLM-E. For one, it exhibits positive transfer, which means it can transfer the knowledge and skills it has learned from one task to another, resulting in significantly higher performance compared to single-task robot models. They also observed a trend with model scale. The larger the language model, the more it maintains its language capabilities when training on visual language and robotics tasks quantitatively. The 562B PaLM-E model nearly retains all of its language capabilities. Additionally, PaLM-E is a next token predictor and goes by the name PaLM-E because it's based on Google's existing large language model, or LLM, known as PaLM, which is related to the technology used in ChatGPT. Google has embodied PaLM by incorporating sensory data and robotic control. PaLM-E encodes continuous observation, such as images or sensor data, into a series of vectors that are the same size as language tokens because it's based on a language model. This enables the model to understand sensory data in a manner similar to how it understands language. PaLM-E is also a competent vision language model, the researchers write. For instance, it can identify basketball star Kobe Bryant in an image and produce textual information about him, such as the number of titles he has won. Another instance shows PaLM-E pointing out the rules associated with a traffic sign. It can also respond to its surroundings and is resilient. The PaLM-E model, for instance, can direct a robot to get a chip bag from a kitchen. When PaLM-E is incorporated into the control loop, the task becomes resistant to potential interruptions. A researcher takes the chips from the robot in a video example, moves them, but the robot finds the chips and takes them back. You'd be wondering, what about its design? Well, it is being called the specter of design. With its sleek design and powerful capabilities, the PaLM-E has set a new standard for handheld devices, leaving competitors scrambling to catch up. The world has never seen anything like it before, and it's impossible not to be awed by its sheer ingenuity. But beyond its impressive specs and sleek exterior, the PaLM-E represents something more profound. A triumph of human creativity, and a testament to the power of innovation. It's a reminder that no matter how far we think we've come, there's always room for growth and improvement. In the end, we can say that the unveiling of Google's new, insane PaLM-E has left the technology world reeling with excitement and anticipation. This revolutionary device is a testament to the unyielding spirit of innovation that drives the industry forward. The PaLM-E's cutting-edge features and sleek design have set a new standard for handheld devices, leaving competitors scrambling to catch up. Its launch has been a game-changer, signaling a new era of possibility and potential. As we look to the future, we can't help but be inspired by the limitless potential of human ingenuity. The PaLM-E is just the beginning of what's possible, and we can't wait to see what other groundbreaking inventions the future holds. As we marvel at this stunning piece of technology, we can't help but wonder what that future holds. What other incredible innovations will Google bring to the world? Only time will tell, but one thing is for certain: the industry will never be the same again. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of passionate viewers. Be the first to know when new videos are posted and stay up to date on the latest trends and news.